this is the dangerous one of them all. You know the truth? Most people think that they have a bad memory, but actually they have an untrained one. Memory is just like any other skill. It's like playing a keyboard or lifting the weights. With the right technique and consistent practice, you can become really good at it. But if you just say that you can't remember anything, you're just cutting off any possibilities of future growth and eventually killing the way you recall in the long term.
Sure, our brain changes over age, but it's not doomed to fail. If you want a proof, I'll tell you this. Imagine you have to memorize a 10-digit number. How long would it take? 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes? But what if I told you I saw in a place called Memory Championship where they memorize, where I saw 70 to 80 year olds memorize not 10, not 100, but thousands of digits of numbers in very less time. You decide if that's crazy. So with the right techniques, we can do wonders.
Of course, route repetition works, repeating the same thing again and again and again while you're studying. But is it the best way to remember anything? Absolutely not. Even if you go with route repetition, after like your exams are over or 10-20 days, you forget even though you're repeated for so long. But you know what you never forget? Is when you watch a movie, ask the person after 1 year, 2 years, even for 10 years, you would remember that movie, including sometimes the dialogues. What is going on here? How do you remember a movie when you watch it once? What happens is when you learn something with emotion, there is action, emotion, there is motion and picture. When that happens, we remember it for a longer time. And when we convert our studies into the way of a movie, that's when we remember it for a longer duration. By the way, if you want to know why our brain deletes some stuff, it's going to be right here. It's going to be coming tomorrow. And see you soon there. Day 2, let's go.